Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will see how to migrate your company from Tally ERP 9 to Tally Prime. First, open Tally ERP 9 software, which contains your company to be migrated. I will be using education mode in this video, but in your case you can use the licensed version. Note down the company number which you need to migrate. For example, the company number of my demo company is 10,000. Exit Tally ERP 9 once your company data is ready to be migrated. Now search for the company number in your Tally ERP 9 data folder. Example, in my case, company number is 10,000. Copy the company folder and paste it in the data folder of Tally Prime. Minimize the files and open Tally Prime. I will be using education mode in this video, but in your case you can use the licensed version. Select the Specify Path option. Now copy the path of the company folder from Tally Prime data folder. This is the complete path to be copied and pasted at the Specify Path option bar of Tally Prime. Paste the path here using Ctrl+Alt+V. Now you can see your required company folder. Open it to migrate. You can even back up your company data before migration by enabling it and setting its backup path in Configure option. Finally, click on Migrate to migrate your company. You can see the voucher and company in Tally Prime. The migration is completed successfully. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.